So here's the plumbing reroute of the sump pump at this right angle over here, going up and now outside from the side of the building that actually goes all the way down to the front and onto the road, which is awesome. So it doesn't go in the backyard anymore. Gas line coming in for the furnace, hot water tank eventually. Furnace is in. Sleek, looking nice. All the ducting down here is almost done. Nice clean duct trunk, so we don't lose too much head height. We're still 7 feet after that, which is amazing. So if they ever want to finish the basement, they can do that between the joists, so we don't lose any head height there against the ridge beam or the beam. Looks really nice. And then, so just over here, if this becomes the mechanical room, eventually we still have a clean, clear path to get to the crawl base if somebody wanted to get there. The hot water tank is coming here when we do the rental. Under the crawl space, all the ductwork is looking really neat and sorted. So HVAC is almost done. Let's go upstairs.